Hi, I'm Ray from Nitro Company, and I want to give all thanks to the Father for giving us this nice day that we're able to shoot. And we've had a couple of our customers call us, ask if we ever shot the Bone Collector limited edition P3000 Stoger that was designed by Mike Waddell as a turkey gun. And what he did was he had Stoger chop the barrel down to 22 inches, put a turkey choke in, which Mike's out to 6.54, puts a Simmons sight on it and Realtree camouflage. And we already ran alcohol in the barrel to clean the oils out, and we ran a spur load through it, and we're going to shoot our Nitro Company T321 8x9s, and we're going to see how it patterns with the factory choke right out of the box, and we're going to see how it shoots. And so let me get my goggles on, my ear protection, and the shell. Here we go. Let me slide it in. Safety off. Firing. All right, we walk down here, look at the pattern. I mean, we're pretty close to being on target. What I did, and I didn't mention it before, is I used a laser bore sighter called Light Sight, and it's got a magnetic end on it, and it gets you really, really close on it. But the pattern's a little bit to the right, and it's you got a couple of flyers down here, but I'm pretty happy with factory choke with the gun. All right, we're here shooting the Bone Collector Stoger P3000 limited edition with the Simmons, comes with the Simmons sight on it. We're gonna try Nitro Company Lethal Weapon 6.65, and we're gonna shoot Nitro Company T321 8x9s, and with a little bit more open restriction, we're going to see what kind of patterns we're going to get, and let's go see what it does. Get my ears on. Firing. All right, we just walked down here. We just shot the Bone Collector edition, the P3000 Stoger, with Nitro Company's Lethal Weapon 6.65, and boy, that's an impressive pattern right there. We shot it with Nitro Company T321 with 8x9s, and talk about a lethal weapon. All right, we just walked down here. We shot this at 40 yards, both with the Stoeger bone collector, the P3000. This one we shot with Nitro Company's Lethal Weapon 665. This is the factory choke that comes with the gun. It mics out at 654. And you could see we shot this at 40 yards. It was 343 pellets. And that's not a bad pattern for a factory choke right out of the box. But you put Nitro Company choke in there and the Lethal Weapon 665, and we got 448. That's 105 pellets more. Now you know why we call it the Lethal Weapon. That'll make a difference if you got a bird that hangs up at a little bit of a distance. I mean, you got them extra pellets in there, 105 pellets. And I'm pretty pleased with the pattern. As you can see, the quadrants are on the Nitro is 108, 112, 120, and 108. Where the Stoeger's over here is 74, 51. You got 112 and 106.